pancakes. Brilliant.
Okay.
I've got my recipe and it has all the symbols so we know what to do. Okay, so first thing is we need a bowl. We've got our bowl. And it says we need to put in the flour first. Okay, so we need some flour.
Easy.
Yeah, so you ready? Flour. That's it. Flour. There you go then. You're going to put the flour in the bowl.
Okay.
Yeah. Brilliant. Okay, so next we need some eggs.
Easy.
Yeah, some eggs. Okay, fantastic. Going to pop your eggs in the bowl.
Egg bowl.
Brilliant.
No.
And then it says next we need to pour in some milk.
No.
Can you sign milk, baby girl?
No.
That's it, lovely. Milk.
No.
Okay, can you pour your milk in the bowl?
Milk.
Fantastic.
Now, please.
And then it says we need to mix it all together.
Oh, yes.
So give it a good mix. Next, it says that we need a frying pan
Yes.
to put on the hob. So here we have our hob.
Hob.
We're going to cook it on there.
Sure will.
So we've got our hob.
Lovely.
And we need a frying pan next.
Next.
Aha! A frying pan.
Lovely.
Lovely. Right, okay. Then it says we need to pour in a little oil.
Lovely.
Okay, so we need some cooking oil.
Oil.
So we've got our cooking oil. Nice signing, baby girl. Okay, you're going to pop your cooking oil into the pan.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Oil's gone in. Okay. Right, should we put our ingredients in then? Should we pour our ingredients in?
Which ones?
Brilliant.
Wow. It's nice.
It is nice.
It's nice. Sure, really.
It's going to be really yummy. So next on our recipe, it says that we need to wait. Okay, so we need to wait. Can you sign wait a little bit? That's it, wait. Wait about 2 minutes. And then we need to flip it over. Okay, so should we wait?
Really?
We're waiting. Okay, so it's looking almost ready.
Yes.
Should we show them?
Is it okay?
Oh, look, looking delicious.
Yummy.
Right, and I've made myself one as well. Here's one I made earlier. Right, shall we flip it?
Really?
Ready? 1, 2, 3, flip! Flip! Oh no, yours is on the floor! Flip! Okay, take 2 on the flipping. Ready? Flip! Oh. That's it, baby girl. Oh no, they're both on the floor. So we did make some more pancakes that didn't fall on the floor. So next it says on my recipe that we need a plate. Okay, so there's yours, okay? Got your plate. Right, so we need to put them onto plates.
Oh, really?
So there's your one and one for me. Oh, they look yummy.
Okay.
There you go.
Did you?
Brilliant. And then we can choose what we want on the top. So, what shall we choose?
I choose this chocolate one.
Ah, okay, right. So on your pancake then, you choose some chocolate spread.
Yummy.
Yummy. Okay, so some chocolate. There you go. Do you want to put yours on there?
Sure.
Let's put it on the table. There you go. There's your chocolate spread. So some chocolate spread. Right, pop that on. And then you chose some fruit as well.
Did you have?
So Lucinda chose some bananas
I chose strawberries.
and some strawberries. Okay,
Perfect.
there we go. those are going to go on as well as the chocolate. So Lucinda, what's the sign for strawberry? Strawberry. There you go. You want to pop those on? Lovely.
No.
And
Banana.
some banana.
Mama.
Good signing. Well done.
Yo.
Some banana.
Enough.
Yummy. Okay, so I'm going to choose
Yeah, we want.
some sugar
Yummy.
and lemon. Yeah, so some sugar. Sugar.
Sure.
I'm going to put my sugar on my pancake.
Yummy.
And
Yeah, what shall we?
some lemon.
Lemon.
So
Yummy.
lemon juice.
Yummy.
Lemon juice.
Yum, yum, yum.
So let's pop that on as well. They are looking delicious.
We are the cake.
Yummy, yummy pancakes. Bye.
You.
See you
Soon.
soon.